EURUSD this week has found some strength and has moved to the higher price levels, where we can see that around this demand zone at 1.07825 the price has found some strength to push the price higher. The price has found the strength to get out from this downtrend channel, and we can see that on the Monday and on the Tuesday candle this price has managed to break out from this downtrend channel and reach the first resistance level at 1.08846. From here the price has made some small reverse back down just by bouncing from this resistance and also supply zone, but then the price continued to move up on a Wednesday and going above this 1.08846 resistance level, and it has reached almost this confluence of support, which is also a monthly resistance level. So it is a confluence of resistance and it is a monthly level. Then the price has bounced back down. We can see on a Thursday where the price has gone back below the first support at 1.08846 without stopping at this demand zone, which means there was no buys with enough strength to push the price even higher or stop the price from falling down. On a Thursday, the price has fallen down. We can see at the price level around 1.083, and then the price has tried to reverse back up, but it has just only touched 1.0846, a previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then the price on the Friday continued to move down. We can see that the price even did not stop on the previous week day end. We can see it here on a Friday. The price has gone below that, even closing below 1.07825, which is a monthly support, and we can see that the price is closed below these candles bodies. So the price is back inside this downtrend channel, but we can see that the price has stopped just on the lower part of this demand zone. If we go to the weekly time frame, let's see how this looks. The price has tried to recover, we can see that, bouncing from this 1.07825, which is a monthly support, but then the price has gone back down. The price has reached almost this confluence of resistance, which is a monthly confluence of resistance. Now, what we can see here also, that the price has closed below the previous week close, which means that this week also is a bearish. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks in a row the price is falling down. So this is also not good news for EURUSD. If we go to the monthly time frame, this week the price has closed below than the previous month. We can see it here. The price is closed right here at the confluence of support and the resistance, we can see that, but the price could not manage to go up and close the month above the second support that was visible here at 1.086. Now the price is continuing to move down on a Friday, but we need to have in mind that this is also a first day in this month. So if we make a conclusion where the price currently is and also what we can expect, because now it is a new month has started on a Friday. Now we can see that the price has returned back down, did not stop here at the first support, did not stop here at the second support, and it has stopped on the third support. The next support where the price could stop is this one here at 1.073. Now there is a possibility that the price goes down here 1.073, and as it looks right now that the price has closed the whole month as a bearish one. We can see it here, and the price is being pushing more down. We will see much more clearly on a weekly and also daily time frame. Is this possible that the price comes here? For now, as it looks for me, because of the bearish signals that I have seen on the weekly time frame, I'm suspecting that the price is going down to reach 1.073 price level, but there is no guarantee that the price will stay at this price at the end of the month. The next support where the price could stop is 1.070, and below that is 1.068 and also 1.066. So these are 3-4 levels for the price as a support levels in this month. For now, as it looks, when the price was going down on the monthly time frame, the price most of the time when the price is dropping, the first one is here where the price stopped. You can see when the price is going down, the first one's here, the second one was here, and the last one was here. If we go in the past, we can see after the price was dropping down from these price levels, we can see that the price has dropped significantly. But have in mind that this was a bearish trend where the price was falling down. We are now in the bullish where the price is trying to reach higher levels. So there is a different watching scenario where we need to see where the prices bouncing on the monthly time frame between the support and the resistance, and those are these levels right here. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Just to mention, for the monthly time frame, the price needs to go above these price levels. The last one is this one, to start to be to see a bullish signals and also bullish overview on the market. For now, as it looks, the price needs to bounce from these price levels on the monthly time frame and close the month above this one, 1.086, to continue to be a bullish. For now, as we can see, the price is bouncing between these two price levels and also between these two price levels, so it is a little bit indecision between the euro and USD where the price will go, but it is a large area where the price is bouncing, and also these are the two critical levels on the monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly and see how this looks. We can see that the price has stopped right here, and on the weekly time frame you can see that this price level is not so critical, because the first price level on the weekly time frame is this one, 1.08. The next one where the price could stop between them is this one here. You can see it here where the price is bouncing, and also the first one is here. So these are the two price levels, 1.074 and also 1.073. These are the critical levels. Below that, you can see it is around number 1.07, as it is visible on the monthly time frame. It's very critical that this price stays above on the monthly time frame, or even be pushing up. If it goes down and closes below that, the next level where the price is heading is, just a minute, is this the first one here, 1.063, and below that is 1.05825. Now, for the next week, it's very important, and as it looks right now, the price could reach lower levels, and that is 1.073 price level, which is visible here. After that, if the price goes below that, the next one is here at 1.07. So these are the two critical levels for the price. If the price closes below that, this will mean that on the weekly time frame there is no enough strength to keep the price above, and it will go below this monthly support level, and also below, reaching possibly around 1.05825. Now there is still on the daily time frame. Let's see how this looks. Just a minute. If the price reverses back up on the upside, we can see that the critical level for the price on the weekly time frame is this one here. So the price needs to go above 1.086, which is also above 1.08846, a weekly resistance level. On the daily time frame, we can see how it's happening. Now the price is gone here. There is a high probability, and I am expecting that the price will go down. So because the price is touching the lower side of this demand zone, which means there is enough strength to keep the price above, but anything can happen on the markets, so stay active. Below that, the first level where the price could stop is around this price level, which is 1.073. You can see it here in the past where the price is stopped, and also this is first support. Below that, the next support is 1.07. You can see it here also, which I have mentioned also on the weekly time frame and also monthly time frame. So these are the next two support levels where the price could bounce. But when the price goes down and reaches 1.07 price level, there is a high probability that the price will make small retrace and then continue to move down and reaching 1.06736, which is very important level now. Now you can see these are the levels, and also I am expecting that the price will continue to move down, making a retrace here and then continue to move down. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!